Hello everyone, welcome to this daily update for Money Squared YouTube channel. I suggest you to watch this video with 1.5x speed for better viewing experience because I talk a bit slow in English and save your time. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe to the channel and comment below if you have any suggestions or any thoughts. That would help me a lot. That's the only way to pay me actually. So yesterday on our daily roundup we discussed that we closed yesterday like this candle and then next candle can just move down, continuing down. But because of Friday, it's a Friday, I was a bit skeptical to be honest, and I thought that this can be maybe price can just start ranging and just like this close below above the support, but price just start moving down actually. From that point didn't even make a wick to the upside on the daily open, just start moving down. So now we're moving very nicely towards this very long anticipated support since these 3 daily candles here. I was waiting for price to come at least retest this level, and after we broke this level to come up retest this level again. And that's what we're getting, but today we already moved quite a lot. This was our candle, the best possible way. If we would have wakened 3 hours earlier, we could have been in a trade very easily with stops above here, because our candle formation was very nice here in the 4 hour, and first take profit fill the wick and then second take profit somewhere in the middle, just like here, because of these resistance or potentially this support, letting risk free. However, now we need to find new trades. We need to check if market will present us new trades, but because this sector is a ranging sector, is not a clean traffic, I would not prefer any trades within this sector. What I would like is price to come up to the upside. First, let me check the weekly, because we need, now today it's gonna close. Yeah, you see, we mirrored basically this candle to the left side. That we had clean candle, clean candle. We were talking about this all week long, after, especially after we break the weekly lows. And yeah, I would suggest some price to come up, form somewhere a resistance, find some resistance somewhere, confirm that resistance, and then break the confirmation of the resistance candle, and then come back, retest the lows or whatever the lows at that point are. But from within this range, I would not like to take trades. So obviously I'm looking only for sells today, but sells have moved quite a lot since here, because yeah, this is our daily open and then we just move all the way down, so we can potentially come up, retest, even though we have some sort of support candles, but we didn't have any momentum to hold that support. And it's gonna be very tricky for gold on today, but I believe that plan, waiting for some sort of strong resistance to form and then retest the low, that can be a potential good idea for trading today on gold. Let's continue on GJ monthly time frame is like our candle formation. Now weekly time frame is below the resistance that we were discussing all week, which we need to close. We must close above this resistance for GJ for the next week to continue up, like to have more probability of continuing up. Or on daily we must close above here. We closed one time, but we failed to hold that momentum, and then we broke back inside, and then still we didn't break these lows, but yeah, we're in for a retracement, and now we can either find some sort of support here and then next week retest these highs, or break the support and next week continue to the downside. Or let's see how today market is gonna play out on GJ from a daily time frame. We can easily also, this can be just a wick, and as soon as we break the low here, we can continue down to this next support level on daily time frame. On the 4-hour time frame, however, we try to break this very strong support. But by the way, this is the last higher low, this is the higher high, this is the higher low. So unless we don't break this, we are still in a bullish trend. This is just a small bearish trend on lower time frames, but overall in 4-hour time frame at least you are in a bullish trend. So obviously buys can still the bias should be bullish even though we are at a resistance level. And we tried to break below, we broke actually below the support very nicely, very strongly, but then immediately we came back in, closed above here the daily candle also, and now we are inside this range area, which is very tricky to trade. I would look only for buys above here till here, because if we break above this resistance, chances are high to continue here, and then at least anticipating that the weekly candle will also close above here if we manage to break this resistance. However, with the current market condition, I don't we broke the previous 4-hour highs and low, and it's gonna be very tricky. Let's see this 35 minutes how it's gonna close, and then maybe the 2 hours is also previous 2 hours is bearish. We broke the previous 2-hour low, we can easily close below here in the next 35 minutes, or even come back down, and then we can just continue to the downside and then retest again this strong support that we are the last higher low. Yes, as you can see here, for example, was completely retracing also just like here, but the last higher low was right over here. So without breaking over, this is not bearish now, because we continue the next leg up, and this can be the same for GJ. So we should be careful about that, not think that, oh, we are in a small bearish trend. We are actually in smaller time frame, but overall we have this higher low, which is very crucial support, and we need to break that for the change in trend. This is now acting as a strong support. Price is just ranging above here. I believe once we break above here, we have potential to come up here and here to retest these levels, but for me, I'm not sure I will be interested in that. We need to check and see how the 4-hour candle closure first of all. But yeah, obviously we need to wait for this 4-hour candle to close again. Maybe we close below here, maybe we close above here, maybe we close where we are, and then that will make it much harder. But I would love either to close above here potentially and then look for buys on GJ, especially buys above here in New York session, or if we close above here, then it's gonna be tricky, because I'm not sure I want to enter a sell only for this region. But yeah, we will wait and see, and probably I will be live streaming the New York session. So if you're watching this video, go to the live stream, come to the live stream in the New York session, and we can discuss everything over there. So guys, thank you for watching. I don't want to make this video for so long, but we need to wait and see, because obviously buys from here can work, but I'm looking buys above here after we get the closure, and I'm looking for sells. I would say sells below here. After we break this, I think we can continue to the downside till here, but not in this range. I don't want to be in this fake out range, for example. And for gold also, let me go quickly a 10-15 second roundup. For gold, I'm waiting, as I said, I'm waiting for some sort of resistance to form, to come up, retest the low. For continuation on gold, I'm not very happy, because look at this support, and I'm not gonna enter from here to enter a sell till here with stop loss above here. I need some sort of resistance to form, and then to take some sells. So thank you for watching. Like and subscribe, support the channel. I see you guys on a live stream.